How to make money online by promoting Amazon affiliate links using Pinterest. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do so and talk about different methods of how it actually works. So the very first thing that you will need to do is actually sign up with Amazon Associates. It's for free, so you can just go ahead and type in your browser Amazon Associates and you can just sign up in there and create your account. Basically, this is going to be what allows you to get affiliate links to begin with. And if you're not aware, affiliate links are basically links for specific products that you want to promote, and you simply just copy them and promote them in your own kind of way, creative way. And if somebody clicks on that link and buys the actual product, you get a cut. This is basically what or how it actually works. So now that you signed up with Amazon Associates, what we wanted to do is just go to the three dots here, or the hamburger menu, and click on account and account settings. Now, from here, what we want to do is just click on edit your website, mobile app, and Alexa skill list. And we want to add every single place where we could possibly promote these and over here. So you can, if you wanted to use Pinterest, you can just add your Pinterest URL in here and click on add. This is all you need to do. Next up, getting the actual links of the products. It is very simple. You just want to go to Amazon.com. And now you just open up the product that you want to promote. In this example, I'm just going to use this one as a test. And you may notice right away you're going to find site Stripe here at the top, which really shouldn't be there. But this is basically how you get actual affiliate links after you actually signed up with Amazon Associates. Anyways, you also see the category of it and the commission rate of said category. So it's 3% for this case. And most importantly, you're just going to find the button get link. You want to click on that and click on copy affiliate link. They do also give you a caption generator, which you could use or not. It's up to you. But most importantly, just go in and get the actual affiliate link. And this is the one that you will need to promote. Now, going to Pinterest, there are two main different ways you can use this. The first one is by creating pins, and you can really just be super creative with this. You can find, basically, a lot of people just go to Pinterest to find solutions to problems, right? Because they want specific ideas or hacks for kitchen or whatever. You can just go and search these up, get some ideas, and see some value products that you can actually promote. This is the first step. Second step would be to actually go ahead and create some content regarding this promotion or the product that you want to promote. So videos are going to be always better, but you can use obviously images, and you simply just want to add the link in there. So we are just going to click on create pin, and from here we can just go ahead and basically upload our content in here, add the title, the description, and in the link we're going to basically just add the affiliate link that we got. Add it to your board. And by the way, for the description, let me just add something real quick. So for the title, you can just go ahead and add the name of the product, or whatever you want it to be actually. But for the description, as you describe the product and whatever you want to add in the description, make sure you also add hashtag ad, like so. This is mandatory for you to do. And obviously you can add whatever else you want in here. The link, like I said, this is going to be the affiliate link. If it's a pin, it's going to be affiliate link. If it's a collage, then we're just going to discuss this in a little bit. And you simply just want to publish it. So let's just go ahead and go back. So that's one way. But if you did actually create a collage, in that case, you are just going to promote multiple different products. So the link that you would want to add in here is not really going to be one specific product. It's going to be multiple. Now here, it's going to be either you use a landing page website, or you can use a link in bio option like beacons.ai, which I recommend if you're just starting out. So for example, if you just go to beacons.ai, you can find link in bio, and you can just add multiple different products with images. So if you want to use this, you can just copy the link, this one, and here you can obviously add block and add your affiliate links as normal. And this is going to be the link you would add to the collage if you want to promote multiple different products in one post, basically. Now, the last method that I'm going to talk about, which is not going to be for free, is going to be actually running a ad campaign for Pinterest. And obviously it's going to be not for free, and you're just going to promote your products that way. However, you need to note that you can't just add affiliate links and promote them as the ad. Instead, you will need to link to a different website that does actually have content. I don't think even link in bios work in this case. Correct me if I'm wrong, but you will need to have a website, and the ad that you actually pay for is going to lead to that website, and that website has the actual affiliate links. Hopefully that made sense for you. So either pins, collage, or ads with Pinterest. And with that being said, this is pretty much it for this video. Hopefully you found it to be informative and helpful, and for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.